Hello students, in this session we are going to solve the questions or we are going to analyze the question that is already came in your annual exam. The question is asking that is find the magnitude of angle A. The question is saying that is find the magnitude of angle A if 2 sine A, that is 2 sine square A minus 3 sine A plus 1 is equal to 0. So you can write the question here is 2, that is sine square A minus 3 sine A, okay, plus 1. And I think you can say just later I am assigning that the letter sine A is equal to suppose T. You just put this instead of sine A you are going to put T. So you write like this, that is 2 T square minus 3T plus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is became a quadratic equation. I think you just factorize this question as like this, that is 2 T square minus 2T minus T plus 1 is equal to 0. You can write this as this one because minus 2T minus 1 it is going to happen as minus 3T. So how it is going to solve like this, that is 2T square minus 2T minus that is T plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I will consider this first and the second. So you can write like this, that is you can take the common as 2 or T. You can take 2T as common. So you can write 2T, that is T minus 1 you can write here. Now you take the minus 1 common here, so you can write minus that is T minus 1 now is equal to 0. Now you can see that is T minus 1 here is also and T minus 1 here is also. So you can write that is T minus 1 into 2T minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here two equation is going to happen, that is T minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2T minus 1 is equal to 0. Then T is equal to 1 and T is going to happen as 1 by 2. And we have already mentioned that is since we have already assumed that T is equal to sine A. We have already assumed that is T is equal to sine A. So now since we have already know the concept that is T is equal to that is 1 and T is equal to 1 by 2. It is already came in the previous equation that T is equal to 1 by 2 and T is equal to, you just put instead of 2 again sine A. So you can write sine A is equal to 1 and here you can write sine A is equal to 1 by 2. And at which angle sine is going to become 1, that is angle A is equal to 90 degree, and at which angle sine A is going to become as half, then it is a 30 degree. It is a 30 degree. So you can write that as there is a two value of A, that is 90 degree and 30 degree. This is the question and this is the answers of the questions. I think this is a very easy question. Now the second question is asking about the mean. The second question is asking about the mean. Now look, the question is asking what? The question is saying that the mean weight of 120 students of a school is itna. So you can write that is to sum of total weight of 120 students. I am writing that the sum of total weight of 120 students is going to happen as 120 into that is 52.75. It is going to happen as 6330. It will come as 6330. Okay. Now again if the mean weight of 50 of them are 51, now again we can write that as a sum of total weight of how much student? 50 student. So how it is going to happen? It is 50, if you write 50 into 51 it is going to come as 2550. Okay. So from the question we can find the sum of total weight of 120 students already given 6330 and the sum of total students of 50 students it is already given 2550. Now the question is asking that find the mean weight of remaining students. Since we know that total students it is given that 120 students and out of 50 students it is already given the total sum. So how much students left? That is 120 minus 50, it is going to happen as 70. So you can write the sum of total weight of a 70 student. Okay. So of 70 students, how much it will come as 70 students? It is going to happen that is you are going to just subtract that is 6330 minus 2500. Why? Because 120 student total weight is given, 50 student total weight is given. If you subtract these two value, you will get the sum of total weight of 70 students. This is the concept. So you will write that is 6330 minus 2550. So it is going to happen that is if you subtract this value it is going to happen 3780. It will come as 3780. Now again, since the question is saying that is mean, that is the mean value of 70 students. Mean value of 70 students you can write mean value 70. How much it came in? That is 3780 divided by that is 70. It will, if you subtract this one, that is 378 divided by 7, it will come as 54. It is going to come as 54. So the final answer will be that the mean weight of remaining students will be that is 54 kg. Okay, I think this is a very easy question. Now the third question is asking about the coordinate of the circumcenter of a triangle ABC. I think everybody know the concept, that is if 3 point is given, if a 3 point, this is a point and this is a point and this is a point, okay, and there is a point P, okay. I am saying suppose this is the point X and this is the point Y, okay. Now I am saying that the point ABC, suppose this is a point A, that is 4, 0, and B, that is 0, 4, and C, that is a 6, 2. Now the question is saying that find the coordinate of the circumcenter. This point is actually the circumcenter, okay. And what is circumcenter? Circumcenter is a point from which it acts as a center. It acts as a center of a circle, and through which the point A, B, and C is going to pass. So you can see that you are going to say that like this. That is CP. This CP is equal to BP, and or you can say BA, or you can say BP. That is BP also. So I'm saying why? Because this will act as a radius. This is going to act as a radius. So I'm saying that this PC and this PA and this PB is going to act as a radius, and they are equal. They are equal. So if you're going, since the question is asking about that P, you are going to find the value of what is the coordinate of the point P, that is x, y. So then here you can apply the simple concept, that is AP. If you can write the first is AP is equal to BP. You can write now. This one AP is equal to BP. You can write. From the formula, by using the distance formula, you can write that is x minus 4 the whole square plus that is y minus 6 the whole square is equal to that is 0, or you can write that is x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. I think up to here it's okay. Why? Because it acts as a radius. It acts as a radius of that circle. Okay. Now you solve this question. If you are going to solve this question, it will become like this: x square plus that is 4, that is 16, minus that is 8x plus y square plus that is 36 minus 12y is equal to that is x square plus y square again plus that is 16 minus 8y. From where we can cancel this. X square is going to cancel with x square, y square is going to cancel with y square, and now arrange the equation. Now you are going to arrange the equation. Now you can that here is also 16 and here is also 16. You can subtract also here 16. So how much will come as here, that is minus 12y minus 8y. Okay. So you can write minus 12y as minus 8y, and this minus 12 is this. You just bring this minus 8 to this side. So if you bring this minus 8 to this side, it is going to happen like this. That is minus 8x. Again, it is going to become as a minus 4y plus 36 is equal to 0. You just take the common as 4. You take the common as 4. You can write minus 4. You can take common. So you can write here that is 2x plus 2y minus that is how much will come? That is 9. It is equal to 0. You can write a 2x plus y is equal to 9. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. Now again you have to solve the second part question, because we have to form two equations in order to solve two variables, and since we have already bring one equations, now we need second equations. Okay, now second equations we can write again PA, this PA the whole square is equal to that is PC the whole square. Okay, now PA we can write it once again, that is x minus 4 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square is equal to that is x minus 6 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square. We can write, because from it is already given in the question, that is we are considering PC, that is x minus 6 the whole square, y minus 2 the whole square. So we have already considered by using the sections formula or by using the distance formula. Now you solve this one. It is going to become x square plus that is how much will come as, that is 4 4 that is 16 minus 8x plus y square plus 36 minus that is 12y is equal to x square plus that is how much it comes, 36 minus that is 12x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Okay, now you again cancel this one, x square y square, x square y square, you can cancel anything you more, that is 36 can be cancelled. Now anything more you can write this one, that is since it is given that is this is a 12y and this is also 12y, you can cancel this one also. So no, you can't cancel, because since it is a 12y and it is 12x, so you are not going to cancel this one. Now anything more left? Okay, you just write this one, that is in this part in the left hand side it is going to become as that is 16 8x minus 12y is equal to, in this side is going to happen as minus 12x plus 4 minus 4y. Okay, you know, now you are going to bring all this portion to this side, so it will act as that is, it is going to become as that is a 16 minus 8x minus 12y minus it is become as 12x minus 4 plus 4y is equal to 0. Now since it is a 12x minus 8x, it is going to become as a 4x. Okay, so we have taken this one. Now since it is a 4y and this is a minus 4y, you can write as a minus how much will come as 8y. Okay, and that is 16 and it is a 4, that is you can write as a plus it is 12 is equal to 0. So from here you can take the common as 4, you can write x minus how much will come as, that is a 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now from here we can write as x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now the equation is going to happen like this, x minus that is 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, it is the equation, and this is the second equation. From here you can write that is x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. This is our equation number 2. And we know that the equation number 1, that is how much it came, that is 2x plus y is equal to, that is 9. This is the equation number 1. Now from this equation number 1 and equation number 2, you are going to find the value of x comma y. Now how it is going to solve? You just multiply this equation, that is with or you can multiply this equation also with 2. If you do this one, that is it is going to become as a 2, and that is 4x plus 2y is equal to 18. Now you just add this equation, that is equation number 2, and after this one then minus 2 and this plus 2, it is going to happen, and it is 4x plus that is 5x, and this minus 3 plus 18 is going to 15. So the x is going to come as a 3. Now you again this use this x value in the put in the equation number 1 or equation number 2 also. So that is, if you are going to put the equation number 2, then it is going to be 3 minus 2y is equal to minus 3, and you just bring this portion to this side, that is minus 2y is equal to minus 3 minus 3, it is minus 6, and this is minus 2, and this minus, and y is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So the point is going to come as that is 3 comma 3, and this is the circumcenter. This is the circumcenter. I think this concept is also already explained. You have to solve, when you are going to solve in the exam, you have to be careful about your calculation, because calculation is very important in your mathematics. Okay, thank you.